Hello YouTube friends. It's been a while since I sat down and actually filmed something. Wow. I haven't really uploaded the last 2 upload days, and I've kind of sucked this month in general. I assure you, this won't be a regular pattern. I'm trying to get myself back on track. I was kind of in a bit of a slump for a little while. I've had some ongoing medical things, and I just have not had the energy to do anything. So I haven't filmed, I haven't uploaded, I haven't even watched YouTube, so if there's some of you that have noticed I've kind of disappeared from your comment section, rest assured I will be back, friends. But I'm back. Will this be the best video I've ever put up? Absolutely not. But hopefully it won't be the worst either. So today, we're going to be discussing my February Boxy charm. Let's go through the contents and discuss my thoughts. I don't know how I feel about this month's box. I am excited and I am not all at the same time. It's just so confusing. So the first thing I got is a thing that I think everybody got. The Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. I do really love this primer. This is a brand new unopened bottle that I just pulled out of my box. I also have my own that I purchased in a Sephora wishlist haul, I think. This is the one that I've been using. This is my personal bottle. I'm actually going to be putting this aside for a future giveaway. This is a thing that I wanted to do this year. I was really hoping to get some stuff put aside. I do have some other things that are not from subscription boxes ready to go. So that is a thing you can look forward to in the future. I don't know if it'll be on my channel yet or on my Instagram. If you follow me on both, you got nothing to worry about. Next, the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Again, everybody got this. Here's the thing. I've heard this is a really good mascara. It is high-end. I have exactly one high-end mascara that I choose to spend my good money on, and so I would never purchase this on my own. I'm going to use it. I kind of want to try it. I'm curious. But steal a huge ass, use my girl. We are tight. So this is neat, this is exciting, this is new. I don't really like Too Faced as a brand, so, you know, it's not really my dream product because I literally, for many reasons, would never buy this mascara. But I'm curious to try it. It should be interesting. So many feelings. Next, Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Sparkling Sass Highlighter. This is very much what looks to be not a highlighter for my skin tone. This is too light to be a bronzer and too dark to be a highlight. So I don't know. Uno momento, por favor. Let me pull out my Physicians Formula Bronze Boost. This is the sparkliest bronzer I have. Too highlighty. So this down here is the Bronze Boost and this is the highlighter. So I thought maybe, because honestly, in pan, these two actually look pretty similar. I can see where this one has the more dense bronze base, but this one is still just shimmer. But I do not have the complexion for this. I might see how it looks on my mom. Next, another thing that I'm going to be passing on. I think this is gorgeous. This is the Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. I don't like eye pencils. I don't like lip crayons. I don't like eye crayons. It's very pretty. This will just look better on my mom. For my own personal use, this box isn't going well. The last thing in this box, which is the thing that I am #1, the absolute most excited for, the Sol de Janeiro body cream. This is the new one. It is the Coco Cabana cream. This stuff smells like happiness. It smells like I want to eat it. Like, it actually legitimately smells like I could eat it. It smells like something really specific. Oh my god. Some kind of like whipped topping type filling and or icing. I don't know. But it smells delicious. I want it all over my body, and I would like to figure out what food this actually smells like so I can go eat it. Now I got a craving. So that's it. That's all. That was my Boxy charm. for the month of February. How were your boxes? Did you guys feel the same way I did, kind of, where it was like, I really love the things I really love, but the rest of it's kind of really disappointing? Did you love the whole box? Let me know. Did this highlighter work on your skin tone? That's it. That's all from me. I will have a video up on Friday. It will be Ipsy versus Ipsy. I have the bags right in front of me, and I am going crazy not opening them. So we will have a fun video coming up. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a like if you want to like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go anywhere. We will see you in the next one.
Wow.